this is not a good for, because you do lots of studies, so for due to this you can topper. uh, so what can you say?
Yes, I totally agree with you. So myself, Bhakti in front of you. Today our topic is that why English language is important, as well as that why that every person's expectation is to get first in any field, in any faculty. So everyone wants to get first in any field, in any faculty, and that person, that's time that person wants I should be first on any position than another. So my so his or her confidence can increase at that time, and he or she will be a respectful person for their family, for their society, as well as for the every person. So this is that is why that every person wants to get first in their life, or first do in any field. And second question is that why English language is important. That English language plays a vital role in every person's life, as a foreigner comes and that talk with us, that asks something to us, so that's then we don't know what is their official language, or they don't know what is our official language. So that's like that English is an international language that we can talk to, that we can talk easily to any another, and that person can also do conversation with us in English language.
Yes, I am totally agree with you. My name is Vairang Dadato. And today's question is why is English language important? And yes, English language is most important in our in our student life. Many students speak English, or many students speak English, and many students fear English. And many students tell us English is very hard.
Yes, you have to tell the English is a hard, but I am tell the English is not hard. If you have to do the if you have to do the practice, so anything is not a hard. Just you are thinking the maths is hard, but that the math is not hard. If you have to do the practice, so this subject is not hard.
Yes, in short, you have to say that by doing practice, that anything is possible for us. Nothing is impossible. Yes.
Yes, for this practice you can achieve your goals.
प्रशांत
You can do
त्याला ऐकू दे
anything.
ना काही ते बस.
Our most of the ideal person would tell us that do practice. And I mean, to achieve your goals, you have to do practice. You have to do much more things, as well as with the hard work, with the smart work, with the sharp mindset. You can do anything. You can achieve anything in your life. So that's then that most of the things that such as the talent, as well as sharp mindset, and many another skills also plays a vital role in everyone's life to achieve their aim.
Just
Yes.
just I'm tell a second topic is that why does someone have expectation, just he or she is a topper. So if you have to do the if you have to do the study, so you can become a topper. But only and only you have a expectation, so you cannot become a topper. Yeah.
Yes, suppose we goes in our state, even our state or other country. Many students, many people or students not
Your thinking is
understand.
that if you have to go to any other country, so in this country we don't understand their language. So for this English language is important. So
Yes, I totally agree with you. As the our question is, why that people expect that we should be first on any position, on any field. So that's like by becoming a lazy person, that can't be possible as according to me. But without thinking that I am a lazy person, I don't have confidence to do that thing. I don't have self belief. I don't have a sharp mindset. By taking these all things in our mind, that's time we can't become a successful person. Expectation of becoming a person in every position that can get filled. Yes.
yeah, because you have to tell this. If you have the confidence, so you can become a topper. But if you don't have a overconfidence, just I am a topper. So what can you say?
Yes, many students get a top of this, and many students do lazy things This is a hard. Many
Your
students
thinking
do
is
hard
that the
work.
topper is a do the hard work,
Yeah.
but lazy person don't do the hard work. So for this thing we become a topper, and the just the English language and the expectation are depend on it. Just if you are the topper, so you can know about the English language. If you don't have a topper, so you don't know about English language.
Yes, lastly, I want to told that everyone, each of us, each of us should have confidence of doing anything, and we should have expectation of doing a higher thing than any another person, and we should also know about the English language, so that's time we can achieve our goal as one test. So this is enough for us.